Started with a simple cylindrical cam. Let's look at some other common types of cams. So let's start by going to New, Metric Part, and drawing an elliptical cam. So I'll go up here, a circle by center pull down, ellipse by center point. We'll lock to our plane, and I'll go right to the point here. I'll head up vertical and type in 40, tab 25, and that creates the ellipse. And I'll place a circle at the center of the ellipse. That'll be 10. And we'll extrude, and we'll push that back 8. Let's change our color. And let's save this as elliptical. Let's create another common cam. It looks more like a star. Go to New, Metric Part, under Circle, Ellipse by Center Point. Lock to our plane. On this vertical axis, I'll type in 40, tab 15, and accept. Let's do another one on the horizontal axis. 40, tab 15. And then we could just box pick this and extrude. Let's push this back 8. And I'll also add a circle at the center here. Make that 10. And let's extrude that. Let's go to the round command and add a round in at these points. Let's make that round 20. And let's change the color. I'll go with orange. And let's save this as Star Cam. Let's go back to New, Metric Part. Let's go up to Rectangle, under Rectangle, Polygon by Center. And let's lock to this face here. And we'll put in 5 sides, create a polygon. Let's make that 40. And I'll add a circle at the center, 10. Identify the region and extrude that 8 millimeters. Let's go back to round edge. Let's grab these edges, 5 edges there, and use a round of 20 again. And let's save as polygon. And let's create one more. Go to Metric Part. We'll draw a circle on our front plane. We'll make that 40. We'll go to the line command and make that 40. Tangent arc. Come out right to the edge and to the peak. Trim that out. Add a circle at the center. 10, and we'll extrude that back 8, and we'll save this as Drop Cam.